Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add links to your YouTube channel profile on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. Sign into YouTube Studio using your Google account credentials. Step 3. From the left menu, select Customization, and then click on Basic Info. Step 4. Scroll down to the Links section and click on Add Link. Step 5. Enter the title and URL of your desired website or web page. Step 6. Once you've entered the necessary information, click on the Publish button to save your changes. Remember, you can showcase up to 14 links on your channel's Home tab, so make sure to add the most relevant and important ones. Adding links to your YouTube channel profile allows you to direct viewers to your website, social media accounts, or any other online platforms you want to promote. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add links to your YouTube channel profile on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.